It's just, mmm. Woo-wee. I've got all this good food, and I've even got dessert in the works, y'all. Mmm. Wow. I'm gonna get into this mac and cheese. This looks serious right here. Ooh. It's got that good crust. Oh my gosh. Hold still, Trey. Let me get it. Oh, come on, Candy. Get in there. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Come on. I'm gonna get a bigger bite. Now that's got flavor. Yeah, that's got some goodness in it. Ooh. That's the stuff right there. Yeah, tasty hands. Pause. Do you mind if I ask you some questions?
Sure.
What all do you do? Do you have like food trays or whatnot?
Well, most of the time I select what I'm gonna make, and
Uh-huh.
then I'll post it on my Instagram about a day or two prior, so everybody can get the pre-orders in.
Yeah.
And then you know, I sell the plates. I also do events. You know, I sell a variety of different foods: Mexican, Southern food. Like I said, this is something that we're gonna be getting into more in the winter season when the colder weather.
Yeah, this is just something that I was craving. I was like, let's do this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so most of the time I just post a day or two prior what I'm cooking, and then get those pre-orders in, and then, you know, I sell them plate by plate.
Awesome. Awesome. I'm going to advertise you like crazy because this is some good food.
I'm glad you like it.
All right, I'm going to get back to it, girl.
All right, you enjoy.
Thank you. Woo-wee. All right, let me try these greens. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, she hot. Ooh. So y'all know I've been having a busy week. So I've been in a really good mood lately. I've been really happy. You know, I don't want to get into all the details and everything, but y'all just know that I'm in good spirits right now. And I'm going to leave it at that. Come on. So like I said, I don't believe I've ever had any kind of oxtails, but that is a nice piece of meat. It's got just the right amount of fat. It's very velvety. Good meat. And I've got all the carbs. Yummy. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Mm. So let's see, what's been on the TV lately? You know, actually not a whole lot. I've been listening to a lot of music lately. Mm. That's been a big thing. Mm. Mm. A lot of music. Mm. I've just been spending a lot of time with friends.